If you're looking for technical documentation or code samples, the chances are you're looking for the Wikis section of DevCentral. In the Wikis section, you'll see all sorts of things talking about advanced design and config tips to iRoles, code share, to different ways you can use iControl to automate your systems. Navigating the wiki is pretty easy. First, to get to the wiki, under the home section, just go to the Wiki API ref link. Or from anywhere on the site, actually, you can go under the quick links and go to the API ref in there as well, and that'll take you to the DevCentral wiki homepage. The DevCentral homepage for the wiki is kind of the landing page for all of the wikis. It generally tells you about what the wikis are, what you'll find here, what DevCentral is, and most importantly, it has links to all of the different topic areas. We have a wiki for iRules, iControl, for FirePass, and a Web Accelerator, for the advanced design and config topics, for the F5 management pack, TMSH, and of course the DevCentral wiki. Down on the right-hand side, you'll see the navigation section and the Spotlight Wikis section, and those links correspond to the links under the topic areas on the main portion of the wiki. Talking about the layout of a wiki page a little bit, the left-hand side, as you expect, is the content pane. So there's going to be whatever content you're currently looking at, whether it's the wiki homepage or a specific code example, that will be on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, there are two boxes that have very useful information in them and useful controls. The top one is the control panel. This is where you can do things like edit or print a page. You can highlight changes, or you can look at all the versions of a particular page and see who has edited it and what they've changed. This is also where the search bar is. You can search within a wiki for certain topics of information. The other very useful bar here is the navigation bar. This, like I said, is where it has the Spotlight wikis, and it will also have links of interest and some contextual navigation that we'll get into here in a second. So I'm going to click through to the iRules wiki, the one I'm most familiar with, to show you kind of how the navigation works. So on a wiki page in general, you'll have lots of text links underneath, generally headings. So our general format for a wiki page is to have topics or sections, reference topics or advanced topics or the code share, and then underneath that you'll see a list of the different pages that pertain to that. So the functions page is a reference topic, those sorts of things. On the right-hand side, the navigation remains partly the same. The Spotlight wikis stay the same, so you can get to any wiki on DevCentral with a click. It's pretty easy. The part that changed is the now wiki-sensitive or particular portion of the navigation. So the links of interest change per wiki, usually to the code share and forums for that particular wiki for iRules or iControl. And then there's another section of navigation that changes per wiki as well, based on the links that are relevant for that topic. So in the iRules wiki, we get the iRules reference section, which can take you to the events page or the statements page, or any of the pages that we are used to navigating to, like the HTTP page that has all of the commands for HTTP. Those navigation links change based on which wiki you go to. So say, for instance, I go to the Advanced Design and Config wiki. You'll see that the Spotlight wikis section is still there. I can still get to any of the wikis on DevCentral. The control panel is still there. I can edit the topics, I can look at the recent changes, etc. And the new section of navigation is specific to Advanced Design and Config. I can look for the code share for Advanced Design and Config. I can look at sample architectures or advanced features, etc. Again, the left pane is the content pane. You can see all the different topics here, from system management to customized profiles to advanced features, etc., with some explanations of what goes on there and links to the documents that live underneath each of those sections. At any time, I can get back to the iRules section or to the DevCentral wiki just by clicking on those Spotlight wiki links. So, again, it's pretty straightforward to navigate the wikis. This is where we store all of our code shares, all of the technical documentation about different topics, iRules, iControl, etc. So browse around. Hopefully you'll be able to find what you need, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know.